This week on DAO.
What the hell is he? Air compressor's on, garage door. What are you doing in my garage again?
Night sauce is here. See?
Oh boy.
Can we put it on, please? Pretty please?
Gibson, huh?
Pretty please?
Alright.
Please?
What'd you get? Let's open this bad boy. I guess first thing we're gonna have to do is jack up the ass end and rip out the old exhaust. It's not even that old. We just put that on probably a year and a half ago.
Yeah, it's not that old.
So shouldn't be that bad to come off. Alright, let's get set up.
Got home, hopped off the plane from Georgia.
Alright, so we got the hanger off, we got the two bolts off at the flange, and he's just going to try to tap off the old one. Alright, so old exhaust out.
Little difference.
Wow.
I think this piping is also bigger.
This is 2.5. That looks like probably 2. So we got a 1/2 inch difference, which is pretty freaking sweet.
Yeah, it's either going to sound really nice or it's going to sound like a
So is that what you're afraid of?
Yep.
That it won't sound good?
Yep.
So here's a question for you.
Huh.
Why aren't you starting it up right now without a muffler? I mean, everyone has to do that.
That was pretty awesome.
It smells.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right
Yeah,
into
it
the
smells.
garage.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, well, hopefully the Gibson sounds decent.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, without a muffler, it sounds good.
That was pretty awesome.
I'm guessing the Gibson's gonna be.
So like, can I just like put the exhaust on and then like move it back 1 inch so it's like kind of on, but it's not on?
No.
Oh. And then this thing
So go to the front
should go right here
with a clamp.
with that, with this thingy.
Yeah, that's gonna slide on before putting that on. Yep.
Yeah.
And I gave you.
And then this goes right here.
It's a bigger hole.
There's a whole bunch of dirt in here. Did you drag it?
Oh boy. It'll blow up. I put it up over the axle, will you?
Yeah. Alright.
Got this red hot sun beating down on my neck again. That's all.
See, if you tighten it down and it falls off, good. Tips are stupid. Chrome don't get you home. A bit of trimming, but we're about to start it. So, want to check it out?
miracle. I can hear it run.
So you're happy with the sound?
I am oh so very happy.
Okay. What'd you learn from this?
That a half-inch more piping can make the world a more awful place.
That's what she said.
Walked right into that one.
Mm-hmm.